Hi! Welcome to my YouTube channel. What are the parts of daily lesson plan? School, Sapampalay National High School. Subject, TLE Grade 8. Date and time, January 24, 2025. Grade level, Grade 8. Semester, first semester. Quarter, second quarter. Objectives. Subtopics are A. Content standards, B. Performance standards, C. Learning competencies. Do not forget to write the else code. And the last part, letter D, the learning objectives. Next is the part 2, which is content. What are the subtopics or subparts of content? A. Topic, B. References, C. Materials. Third parts, procedures. What are the subparts of procedures? A. Preliminaries, B. Review, C. Motivations, D. Discussion, C. Application, F. Generalization. And part number 4, which is evaluation. Do not forget the assignment, which is the 5th part. And you also need to write the evaluation outcome. Do not forget your signature and also your observers. That's all for this day. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel.